Hello. This painting was inspired by AB Creative. I was watching a video of her doing a dove swipe, and she had cut out contact paper like I did, and she'd been swiped this beautiful motion coming down. I want to do something similar. I drew my own bird on the canvas. However, then I decided to change the direction. So when I cut out the contact paper and laid it down, I laid it more at an angle. The first thing that she did, and I'm going to take her advice on that, is to essentially paint around the edge to hold this down a little bit better. And because this actually is not sticking very good for some reason, I can't get it to lay flat. The colors, they're all mixed media, girl, and I wanted to see how they went together, and so I put it on a little sample canvas board to see how they look. So I want the sky in those colors of the blues, and then the berry reds and what have you, I'm going to have in the swiping motion here. So the first thing I'm going to do is to outline the stencil. All right, here we go. All right, I did not care too much about this part, obviously. And I'll see if that actually holds down the stencil that I cut out. This is now left paper on it. So the first thing I want to do is pour the background of the sky in the blues that I showed you. Okay, I do apologize that you didn't see the tilting part, because I know it was off camera. I just didn't adjust my camera to so you could see it in the upward motion. I'm going to let that sit for 30 minutes before I peel this off, and then we're going to get to the swipes, because I do want the swipes to blend in with the background, I think. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, I like the background. I'll show you in a second. These colors are just quite lovely together. And we won't see much of the colors down here because of the swipes I'm going to end up doing. All right, so let's come back to this in about 15 minutes, maybe 30. Okay. This has actually been a couple hours, and parts of it are drier than other parts, but I want to get this off ever so carefully. There we go. So note that painting the edges of that contact paper did not help in having it bleed underneath. All right. That's okay. We're going to paint this anyway. All right. That looks pretty good, actually. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. And so I think we'll proceed. I'm quite nervous about this part for some reason, but gotta do it. I gotta get brave. So let's just start pouring these colors. Hoping I don't make a mess of things. looking at this, as gorgeous as it is, I really did want it coming down more, so I did not put enough paint on there. But gosh, these cells, oh my gosh. What is that, Fairy Spit? Fairy Dreams. Wow, that Fairy Dreams knows how to sell up. Okay, so I'm trying to think how I could get more down here without ruining what I've done. So that's what I'm deciding to do. Here we go. I'm gonna let that be, and then I'm gonna paint the bird, and then I'll see if I'm gonna try to fix more of that. But I like it so far. I just was hoping I could drag it down more. I didn't put enough paint on there to do that. So, and this wasn't wet enough to help it drag. So this is what we ended up with so far. Okay, I played with it a little bit off camera yesterday. This is the next day. It's dry. But not happy with the wings. I did manage to come down more on that. So I like what happened there. But I am gonna fix this part here. Not sure how. I have an idea. So, yeah, I'm just gonna see if I can pull this off. I'll fix it. Starting. All right, this is done. I really like the wingspan in white. That's really what I wanted, but I was gonna do something a little different and I ended up doing that. So I just think this turned out quite nice. And there you have it. Hope you enjoyed watching.